News from the world of real estate. China's defaulting developer Evergrande has been stopped from trading on the Chinese and Hong Kong stock exchanges. This decision came yesterday when Evergrande failed to make a payment of $255 million last Tuesday as a way of defaulting payments. Evergrande had promised that they would start making payments early December and everything would get streamlined by January. They also informed that more than 90% work has started on their projects and they will start delivering the projects by December 2021, and by January of 2022 some new projects will also start. However, this is not the case and they have again defaulted, which has made investment in Evergrande a risky affair. To add to that, some of the projects have been ordered to be demolished. In the province of Hainan, China, 39 projects have been asked to be demolished by the Chinese government as Evergrande does not have a permit to work on that land, and without legal papers they do not have a right to do any kind of construction. It is only a matter of time when we come to know how many more projects will be shelved due to the non-payments to their international and national clients. We can only hope for better things to come up for Evergrande. However, they need to take some serious and solid measures to stay in business, and until and unless they do that, the defaults will keep on increasing, and it's not before long that they can find themselves in serious defaults and can create a lot of problems for their company, and they might not be able to retain themselves as one of the topmost developers of China. That's all for now, and keep yourself updated on my channel, and also let me know in your comments what else you would like to see. Bye for now.